This video is a quick demonstration of how to connect your internet from your home into a garden office, for example, where we have a booster here and the booster might not be sufficiently powerful to relay the Wi-Fi signal all the way into your garden office, for example. So the first thing you do is you connect your booster, something like this, got from a shop called Argus in UK. The first step is to connect this booster with your home Wi-Fi, and what it does is it amplifies your Wi-Fi signal so you can use the internet where the signal might be low. The disadvantage of this is that if you are really far away from this particular booster, then the signal might be low and it will drop on and off. So the alternate method, which I have implemented and it's been working really well for about a year, is to basically use an Ethernet cable like that. So that's a Cat7 cable. Is connecting one end to this booster, which is inside the home, and the other one is the garden office, which is about 10 meters away and has is connected to something like this, which I will show. Yeah, sorry about the mess, but so we have that Ethernet cable running along the garden, and then it is connected to this type of it's normally color booster, but you can again find anywhere in most of the shops, and then it will so the Ethernet cable connects to this, and then that is it really. So now you have a Wi-Fi signal on your garden office. Alternatively, if you don't want the Wi-Fi, you could connect that Ethernet cable directly into your PC, and so that's another way of doing it. As I said, I've been using this for about a year. The best way to use this without any fault is to have the primary booster turned on first, and then turn this one which is away from the house 30 seconds after the first one. Alternatively, you can turn them, have it on all the time. I just tend to switch mine off when I don't use them, but it's up to you. So that's basically the solution, which has been good for me. So and hopefully it will be of help to you as well. Thank you. Bye.